So we got 2 of these. And make sure you don't do what I did, which is cut your nails before you start doing these things, because you could put some puncture wounds into the plane. We'll try hard not to do that. Whoa, the size of one wing, guys. One wing is ginormous. Comes with everything pre-installed, as you can see there. The little servo. The servo is little, but it seems powerful enough for what it's supposed to do. So the 2 wings are like that. And I guess maybe those metal pieces will go through the bird and allow you to install it on there. There's 2 rods. Exciting stuff. The rest, I guess, is just the bird itself. I'll try to get it out.
Likey